Are you ready to unlock the power of social media for your business? Welcome to Jay's Digital Hub. Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide on social media marketing. This tutorial will help you understanding the basics of social media marketing, the benefits of social media marketing, and mastering social media platforms. Did you know that over 3.6 billion people use social media worldwide? Imagine tapping into this vast audience to grow your business. That's the power of social media marketing. First, let's break down what social media marketing is. At its core, social media marketing involves creating and sharing content on social media platforms to achieve your marketing and branding goals. This includes activities like posting text and image updates, videos, and other content that drives audience engagement. Remember, it's not just about posting, it's about creating a strategy that aligns with your business goals. To get started, define your social media marketing goals and objectives. Are you aiming to increase brand awareness, drive website traffic, generate leads, or boost sales? Identifying your target audience on social platforms is also crucial. Analyze their demographics, interests, and online behavior to tailor your content and strategies. Key elements include consistent branding, engaging content, and interaction with your audience. Remember, social media is a two-way street. It's about building relationships, not just broadcasting messages. Now, why should you invest in social media marketing? Here are some compelling benefits. Increased brand awareness, higher conversion rates. Cost-effective marketing. Improved customer satisfaction. First, increased brand awareness. Social media platforms allow you to reach a large audience quickly. Regularly posting engaging content can boost your visibility and establish your brand identity. Second, higher conversion rates. Social media marketing helps you connect with your audience on a personal level. By building trust and loyalty, you're more likely to convert followers into customers. Third, cost-effective marketing. Compared to traditional marketing methods, social media marketing is relatively inexpensive. With the right strategy, you can achieve significant results without breaking the bank. Fourth, improved customer satisfaction. Social media provides a direct line to your customers. Prompt responses to inquiries and feedback can enhance your customer service and satisfaction. Social media also allows you to gather real-time feedback from your customers, enabling you to refine your products or services and better meet their needs. Let's dive into an overview of some major social media platforms and how to leverage them for your business. Some of the most popular and effective platforms for businesses include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Facebook is the largest social media platform, with over 2.8 billion monthly active users. Leverage Facebook's powerful advertising tools and targeted reach to connect with your audience. Instagram is perfect for visual storytelling. With features like Stories, IGTV, and Reels, you can create visually appealing content to engage your audience. Twitter is great for real-time communication and trends. Share bite-sized updates, engage in real-time conversations, and leverage trending hashtags to amplify your message. LinkedIn is the go-to platform for B2B marketing. It's perfect for networking, thought leadership, and showcasing your professional expertise. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. Use it to create video content that educates, entertains, and informs your audience. Optimize your social media profiles, create a consistent brand identity, and develop a personalized content strategy tailored to each platform. Don't forget to analyze your performance metrics to refine your approach and achieve your goals. Social media marketing is a powerful tool for businesses looking to grow their online presence, engage with their audience, and drive tangible results. Now that you have a solid understanding of social media marketing, it's time to put these tips into action. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more digital marketing tips.